Okay, I'm going to show you a trick that will let you evaluate functions in a TI84. So here's the example we had from practice test. It said solve this thing. It's 2x squared plus 11x plus 23 equals 9. You can go ahead and solve that using your favorite technique. What I did when I solved it, I got -2 and -7/2. And let's say I want to check these. I want to check these, but I don't want to spend a whole heck ton of time doing it because I'm sitting on an exam and I want to go as quickly as possible. So if you have an 84, here's something that you can do. So up here you have your y equals button. I don't know how much graphing you've done in the past. If you did any graphing in the past, you would have used this. I'm going to input my equation here, just this side of it. So I'll do 2. This right here is my variable button, so don't use alpha and the letter x. Use this x squared. Let's say plus 11x plus 23. So just inputting the equation and just the right-hand side. Or sorry, the left-hand side in this case. I don't necessarily need the right-hand side. Once you got that in there, go ahead and hit second quit. You want to make sure that this dark box is highlighted. That tells you that this function is on. So second quit, that brings you back out to your main page. There's your calculator. Here's what you can do. You have a vars button that stands for variables. Hit your vars button. You see it says vars and then y vars, arrow over for y vars. And then in this guy, you have function, parametric, polar, on, off. Select 1 for function. Which function? It says, well, we stored that in y sub 1, so number 1. And then it'll bring y1 up on your main page. Here's what you can do. Open a parenthesis, type in one of your solutions. It was -2. Close your parenthesis, hit enter. 9. What's this thing doing? This thing is evaluating y1 at -2. I can do it again. I go vars, y vars, function, hit the button 1 because of y1, and I go -7 divided by 2 was my other solution. Yes, it is 9. So here's what this thing is doing. It's saying I have a function. The variable is x. It is 2x squared plus 11x plus 23. Instead of f of x, it just uses y sub 1. But when you put in that -2, what it's doing is exactly what you should do if you're handed something like that. It's just putting that number in and evaluating. So that'll save you some time in an exam, for example, if you're trying to check your answers quickly in the calculator.